Six things. That's the cause for breaking all kind of friendship. If you want to know what are these six things, then you have to watch the whole video till the end. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel of excellence for your inner and outer and holistic excellence, then please do subscribe, and also do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's get into the video. If you are new to this channel, then I am Korak, and my mission is to contribute towards the golden age of humanity, health, Bharat, Dharma, and for inner excellence. And I'm doing this work since 1996, post announcing my military officer's job and the cliched life that I lived till the age of 25. You may visit our official website www.korakday.com for more details. Vivado dhana sambandho yachanang chati bhashanam adanamagratah sthanang maitri bhangasya hetavah. Friendship is the greatest gift which we have got from the Creator, Bhagwan. And when we do not take care of a friendship, when we do not do all the necessary things to safeguard a friendship, then we end up being a loser, we end up being lonely, we end up being friendless, we end up being sad, depressed, and stressful. So if you want to avoid all these things, and if you want to keep holding to this gift from God about which we have got to excel in our life, then you have to know what are these six things which would be really bad for any kind of friendship. Never enter into a quarrel with a friend, into a when we just want to enforce our I am the best, I am the right, I am everything, then what happens? We have our friends around. So see, the difference between friend and family is family will be always there with you in thick and thin and every situation, but with friends we have to really nourish them. Friendship is a very nourishing thing, and to be nourished also. So never get into a quarrel with a friend. Whenever a friend is saying something which deserves a quarreling, which deserves you to get into an argument with your friend, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and skip it and change the topic. The next very important thing is, do not get into a financial borrowing or financial thing with your friend, because it is finance. Money is a very important thing, but money is also the source, is the reason for so many breakages. It breaks many times, because however it is always advisable. I've heard from elderly people, I always had elderly people. I always used to make friendship with people who were elder than me, because they had very special things to give you. People your age and younger than you, they may not have something special for you to grow in your life, but elder people have. So I have learned from elder people that money is a very a dicey thing, and must be always, it can destroy. Money is a good master, but you cannot master money unless you Of course, if you choose a Satyugi excellence life, then you learn to master over money. But money is very, like we say in Hindi, that dhan is, Lakshmi is very chanchal, is very, is like a child, always wants to explore, always wants to go from here to there, and may even leave you. So friendship in relation to begging or borrowing money, and and all these things, just avoid. Another very important thing which can destroy friendship is begging for money from a friend. Please de dena, please do this thing, or something like that. Like, both these points are very important. Like, money is to be avoided with a friend. And remember, because one of the greatest example of friendship is in Bharat is Krishna Sudama, and how money, like Sudama, even if he was like so poor, he would not, he and his family and his children, his wife, would go without food for many days, as nobody would give him, because they have to beg for money from, like, beg for these many number of houses for money to run a family. It used to happen in Dwapar Yug still, when there was still more truthfulness amongst the Brahmins, unlike now in Ghor Kali Yug, in the end of Kali Yug. So he would stay hungry. They would stay hungry, but they would not beg money. So, but still he went, and he went to Krishna's big palace, but he could never ask for money. He could never ask for money for him and his family. And even if Krishna was testing him, Krishna was, trying to instigate him about money, about asking for money, but Sudama would never ask for money. And then see what happened. When you don't ask for money, you get it. Because as I said in my other videos also, that money has, the matrix of money is a very, it has a very strange and very mysterious relationship. You have to, like the way you pursue a girl and try to make her your friend or lover or wife, whatever, you have to pursue. But in that pursuing a girl, you have to pursue by not pursuing. I hope you understand, but it's not the topic of this video, so I'll not get into this. But you can go back and listen to this, what I said just now. So if you pursue for money from your friend, if you ask for money from your friend, the friend would get upset, maybe. But definitely, if you don't ask, and the friend is really caring, and friend is really friendly with you, and friend is really, because we have an ideal in Krishna, a friend like Krishna, he would understand your need, and he would do the needful according to his capacity and capability. And then what happened? Sudama never asked for money from Krishna, and he just went out without asking for any kind of help of money. And he goes back home, and he sees that it's already been given, more than what he could ask. Very important fourth point is excessive talking with your friend. Like, always talking with your friend, and like that could make the friend feel Oh my God, here's again come. Let me run away from him. Talking rarely, talking minimal, and let the friend talk. Allow the friend to talk. Allow the friend to tell his or her problems and what he or she is going through in his or her life to you. Let the friend talk. Be the ear, not the mouth to your friend, because your friend is also a human being. Because human beings, they love to tell about their things to others. Human beings do not like to listen much, because, and especially nowadays when everybody thinks that they know it all, they know everything, so it's better to listen to them. The fifth thing is quite like the previous two, but still I would mention because it is mentioned in the shlok. The fifth thing is borrowing. Try to avoid borrowing anything from your friend. Borrow it from a stranger, borrow it from an acquaintance, but do not borrow anything from a friend, because of reasons which are very important. These shloks in the ancient Bharat, they used to do huge research. And then take out the gems and let us know. So let us go into the sixth point. And the sixth point is a desire for competition. Compete with the entire world except your friends. That's the wisdom. Because friends are also humans. And friends are not only humans, but they also have desires, they also have greeds, they also are humans, they also have many other things. And when you try to compete with your friend, you do not go to war with friends, you go to war with enemies. So competition is like going to a war. So never go for a competition with your friends. Rather say that, okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together and compete with someone who is not a friend for both of us. Something like that. Competition with friends have destroyed many relationships, friendly relationships, and many other things. Even competing with your spouse is also not done. Many times this jealousy and this guilt and this this feeling of I'm less destroys a relationship, whether it is relationship with your spouse or friends or anything. So I hope that this shlok and this video would give you something special to hold on to in your life and make your life excel holistically, from inside, from outside, from mental, from spiritual, from physical, with the whole humanity around and for the whole earth. Everything must excel, and that is my quest. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and whatever you like, please write in the comment box below, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And let's have a beautiful time, let's have a beautiful excelled life with us and with the whole humanity. So let's meet in the next video. Until then, pranam. If you liked this video, then go ahead and tell us what you liked. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so that you get a priority delivery for all our future videos. Pranam.
Human, alive, human, dead, finish. Have you been a human being yet?
শুধু আমার আমি, শুধু আমার, শুধু আমি ছাড়ো বন্ধু, ছাড়ো।